Rich versus poor mindset, what's the difference? Why do some people build wealth no matter their income, while others stay stuck in financial struggle? It's not just about money, it's about mindset. In this video, we'll explore the 7 major differences between a rich mindset and a poor mindset, and how you can shift yours starting today.
Living beyond your means, buying things you can't afford just to look good. This is one of the biggest traps. If your lifestyle is funded by credit or loans, you're not rich. You're just in debt. Break it. Budget realistically. If you can't buy it twice, you can't afford it. Not tracking your spending. You can't fix what you don't track. Most people have no idea where their money goes. That's how small leaks sink big ships. Break it. Use a notebook, budgeting app, or envelope system. Know every rand that leaves your wallet. Impulse buying. You walk into a store for bread and leave with snacks, airtime, and a new t-shirt. Sound familiar? Impulse buying drains your wallet fast. Break it. Always use a shopping list. Wait 24 hours before buying anything not on it. Paying only the minimum on debt. Paying just the minimum keeps you in debt longer, and you'll pay way more in interest. Break it. Pay extra whenever you can. Even 200 rand more per month can shave years off a loan. No emergency fund. One unexpected bill, and you're borrowing money again. Without an emergency fund, you stay stuck in the cycle. Break it. Start small. $50 to $100 a week adds up fast. Build a cushion before disaster hits. Relying on debt for daily needs. If you're swiping your card for groceries and airtime, you're not using money, you're using future stress. Break it. Cut unnecessary spending. Use cash for daily expenses. Credit is not income. Not investing in yourself. Poor money habits often come from poor money mindsets. If you never read, learn, or grow, your finances won't either. Break it. Watch videos like this, read finance books, and surround yourself with people who are financially smart. Your money habits shape your financial future. Break the bad ones and start building good ones, one step at a time. Like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more personal finance content, and comment below, which habit are you breaking, starting today?